Hey everyone, in this video I want to give you a quick look at the yellow Goatskin R.L. Allan NASB reader. This is a first edition from Royal Youngblood, so stay tuned. Alright, let's get into this Bible really quickly. So this yellow is kind of a canary yellow. I think I was expecting more like a school bus yellow. The texture of this goatskin is what you would come to know and love from Royal Youngblood. It's their natural grain goatskin. It does have the double tooled line around the perimeter of the cover, and it has silver trimmings like the silver imprinting on the spine, Holy Bible, New American Standard, and Allan. You also have the silver gilting on the edge of the text block and the silver imprinting on the liner that includes the silver gilt line on the inside. This edition has a really nice navy liner, and it has the navy cardstock end sheets, and to go along with the color scheme it has this lighter blue color. I kind of wish this was a darker blue for the art gilt, but it's a lighter blue, which is fine. You have your cardstock at the beginning of the edition, and then your presentation page and your family legacy pages. Then we come to the title page and the publication page. This is a 1995 NASB text, and it is printed and bound by Royal Youngblood in the Netherlands. This paper is a 36 GSM paper, so really nice paper. It's not super white. It's kind of got a slight off whiteness, but the feel of this paper is so nice. Just really premium. The text layout is one that we have grown to love. It is the traditional 2003 large print ultra thin reference Bible, which is a double column layout, center column references. The text is a verse by verse layout, and you can see where the next paragraph starts. The verse numbers in bold. The only thing about this text block and this publication is that traditionally, ever since 2003 and up to today, this edition's not line matched. Now, for this edition that has 36 GSM paper, it's not that big of an issue, but other editions with the 32 or 30 GSM paper coming straight from Lockman, they are troublesome with the amount of ghosting. This one does have some ghosting though, and please, everybody, shift toward line matched text, please. Here, while I have it open, you can get a good look at the three navy Beresford ribbons. I love the color navy. It's such a great complementary color for the Bible paper. This edition is a black letter text, which I'd love to see it in a red letter, but for some reason they just don't do many red letters in a premium edition. Now when we get to the back of the edition, it has a concordance, and in my mind this concordance could be better optimized. It's not as easy to navigate. It's okay. It's better than some, but it could be better. What is nice is that the reference phrase or word is in all caps and in bold, which is kind of a common theme with concordances these days. And then after the concordance, we get to one of my favorite parts, which is the maps on Bible paper. Hallelujah. Thank you, R.L. Allan, for just being awesome and doing this, because this makes Bible maps so much more usable for me personally. And then we come to the 32 pages of lined paper, which is just an awesome feature in a Bible that I think needs to happen more often for more Bibles. Put lined paper in your editions. This also has 3 pages of blank white cardstock right before you get to the rear end sheet. So lots of room to make notes, create your own index, create your own personalized kind of section in the back. Now I do want to point out these corners from Royal Youngblood. I think they're far better than the corner work we see from Charfleet. It is not a completely full yap, like as far as touching, but it's probably considered a full yap because the way the yap folds over, you can't touch the page edges. Royal Youngblood just did an amazing job with this edition. So that's pretty much the quickest look I can give you at this yellow NASB reader. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And as always, thanks for watching, take care, and God bless.